Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is set for January 22nd, where the Galaxy S25 series is expected to be unveiled. However, if you're too eager to wait, a newly leaked promo video offers a sneak peek at the Ultra model and its features. With just 3 days left until the Galaxy S25 series launch, leaks are pouring in. The latest shows Samsung's official leather cases for the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. User at @JuconLosRev shared an image on X of the retail packaging and cases. The S25 Plus cases come in gray and sky blue, while the S25 Ultra cases are available in black, gray, and orange. These cases feature metal buttons for power and volume, replacing the usual cutouts. Samsung has dropped 2 new teasers on its YouTube channel. The first features a night sky light display ahead of Unpacked, while the second highlights Samsung's AI capabilities.
In the era of AI, privacy has become more important than ever before, as AI connects and transforms our lives in ways we never imagined. Like when it suggests when to leave for work based on traffic, or reminds you to use that expiring coupon to fuel up for a busy day ahead. But privacy threats have also evolved. To give you peace of mind when using your phone, we've strengthened our baseline protection. For enhanced on-device security, your personalized data is processed and combined in the Personal Data Engine, where it is encrypted and securely saved, inaccessible to anyone else, with the decryption key safely stored inside with Knox Vault. Your devices, connected in an ecosystem, protect each other with Knox Matrix, ensuring safe data transfers, while post-quantum cryptography defends against future threats. With 7 years of security and OS updates, long-term protection is guaranteed. And when using cloud AI, your data is neither shared with others nor used for targeted ads. In the end, you should have full control over your privacy, and the power to choose your privacy settings. Even in the era of AI, we believe your personal data should stay personal.
Now Samsung has unveiled new teasers for the Galaxy S25 series ahead of the upcoming Unpacked event. The company also shared images of a dazzling light show set against a clear night sky, building excitement for the event. A brief video clip showcases the Galaxy artificial intelligence capabilities on the latest flagship devices, emphasizing their advanced features. Filmed at night, the clip highlights the nightography technology designed to capture exceptional low-light photos. The video prominently features the phrases "next level Galaxy artificial intelligence" and "light years ahead." Samsung's nightography feature continues to impress, delivering outstanding low-light photography. The company has wowed audiences with stunning skylight displays and laser shows in the streets of London, featuring a captivating Galaxy artificial intelligence hologram.
Introducing the Galaxy S25 Slim, a first look at Samsung's thinnest marvel. Samsung is gearing up to launch its Galaxy S25 series, featuring 3 core variants, but all eyes are on the unexpected star of the show, the Galaxy S25 Slim. Leaks from trusted sources, Steve Hemmerstoffer and SmartPrix have unveiled an early glimpse of this sleek, ultra-slim masterpiece. Known for their slim designs, Samsung's flagship phones are already a benchmark in elegance, but the S25 Slim takes things even further. Expected to be up to 1.2mm thinner than the Galaxy S24's 7.6mm profile, this device redefines compact sophistication. Samsung's official press renders for the Galaxy S25 series have unveiled a glimpse of the promotional images set for its marketing campaign. These visuals highlight the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in stunning silver and blue color options, leaving a striking impression. Among them, the blue variant of the Galaxy S25, or possibly the S25 Plus, stands out as particularly captivating. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't as prominently showcased, the brief glimpses we see are undeniably impressive. The S Pen also makes an appearance, though the images do not confirm the rumors suggesting the stylus may lose its Bluetooth functionality. Samsung has just uploaded a new teaser on its official YouTube channel, revealing the exact date for the upcoming Unpacked event and showcasing AI features. Let's dive in.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant.
Outdoor seating, pet-friendly, of course. Can you send that to Luca?
Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
Despite offering numerous additional features, the South Korean tech giant appears to be maintaining the same pricing as their predecessors, at least in Europe, according to a leak. However, while this initially seemed like great news, recent developments suggest we might be in for a disappointment. With nearly 2 weeks remaining until the next Galaxy Unpacked event, a European online retailer, Zanetti, has listed the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra along with their prices. Galaxy S25 series prices Europe: Galaxy S25 at 128.3, 973, 256 GB on 36, 500 GB. One Galaxy S25 Plus, 256 GB, 246, 512 GB, 1,171. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 256 GB, 1,571, 512 GB, 1,696, 1 TB, 1,948. Following the leak of over 3 dozen images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25 yesterday, renowned leaker Evan Blass has now revealed another set of official renders. These new images provide a stunning look at Samsung's flagship trio from fresh angles. The Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra renders don't introduce drastic changes, but offer detailed views from multiple perspectives, giving a clearer sense of their overall design and aesthetics. Taking center stage is the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which features elegant curves on a flat frame design. Moving away from the Note series' iconic boxy look, Samsung has adopted a sleeker, more refined style. The Ultra also sports thickened camera rings with a dual-layer design, adding depth and sophistication to its rear panel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus shine in their potential signature colors, highlighted in unique poses. Both models adhere to Samsung's classic design language, featuring slimmer bezels and flatter frames, enhancing their modern and sophisticated appeal. As the Galaxy S25 launch approaches, a new set of press renders has emerged online, shared by Android headlines, revealing Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup. The leak showcases the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra in nearly all color variants. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shown in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. In contrast, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are displayed in ice blue, mint, navy, and silver shadow. However, it remains uncertain if these will be the official color names at launch. Alongside the standard lineup of vanilla, plus, and ultra models, leaks and rumors suggest the introduction of a new edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim. A teaser for the event has fueled these speculations, though specific details about the device remain limited. However, a recent discovery offers some insight into the Galaxy S25 Slim. A Samsung smartphone with the model number SMS937U, presumed to be the S25 Slim, has appeared on Geekbench. The listing reveals that the device will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, aligning with the other models in the series. It also suggests the phone will offer a configuration with 12 gigabytes of RAM and will run Android 15, likely coupled with One UI 7.0. An anticipation is building for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Breakthrough in low-light video performance. Renowned Chinese tipster Ice Universe has revealed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer significantly improved video quality in low-light conditions. While no direct comparison was mentioned, it's reasonable to assume these enhancements are in relation to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The tipster attributes this improvement to advancements in the device's processor. This points to the rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra Ice Universe. Also notes that these upgrades will not be available for older models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra. New leaks are shedding light on what to expect, particularly for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A lighter design and faster wireless charging. Reports suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a lighter build and improved wireless charging capabilities. Tipster Roland Quant indicates that the S25 Ultra will support 25-watt wireless charging enabled by Key 2 technology. Samsung is also expected to offer a Key 2 compatible first-party case for the Galaxy S25 series. This aligns with a recent announcement from the Wireless Power Consortium WPC, confirming that the devices will be Key 2 ready. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. Earlier claims suggested a peak brightness of 3,000 nits, so it remains to be seen which figure is accurate. Under the hood, the device is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset worldwide, ensuring top-tier performance. The S25 Ultra is said to be available in 3 configurations: 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage, 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage. Official press images of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced online, courtesy of WinFuture. Alongside the phones, images of Samsung's official cases have also been revealed. Samsung is introducing a Key 2 wireless charging case for all 3 Galaxy S25 models. The Key 2 standard includes a magnetic alignment system for more efficient and faster wireless charging, akin to Apple's MagSafe technology. Accessory brands like Spigen are also expected to release 2 enabled cases for the Galaxy S25 series, expanding the ecosystem for users. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.